Managing freelancers effectively can be challenging, especially when you're juggling multiple projects and teams. That's where teamwork.com comes in. If you're looking for a tool that helps streamline collaboration, communication, and task management with your freelancers, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to use teamwork.com to simplify your workflow and ensure your projects stay on track. The first thing you'll notice when using Teamwork is how user-friendly it is. Whether you're managing one freelancer or an entire team of remote workers, everything you need to keep things organized is right at your fingertips. You can easily add tasks, set deadlines, and assign roles. You can even track the time freelancers spend on projects, ensuring that everything stays within budget. One of the best features for managing freelancers is Teamwork's task management system. Tasks can be assigned with clear deadlines and priorities, and you can attach files and links directly to each task. This keeps everything organized, ensuring that freelancers always have access to the information they need without having to dig through endless emails or messages. If communication is key for your team, Teamwork has got you covered. Their messaging system allows you to discuss each task in real time. You can comment on tasks, tag specific team members, and even mention them to get their attention quickly. This reduces the need for endless email chains and ensures all communication stays organized and context-specific. One standout feature for freelancers is the time tracking tool. If you want to ensure that you're staying on budget, Teamwork allows your freelancers to track their work hours directly within the platform. It's incredibly easy to use and allows for clear transparency, great for both freelancers and clients. The project dashboard is another tool that makes teamwork.com an excellent option for managing freelancers. You can see an overview of all your active projects, the progress each task is making, and who's working on what. The visual layout is clean, making it easy to see which tasks are on track, which need attention, and which might be falling behind. The platform also allows for file sharing. You can upload files to specific tasks or projects, and freelancers can access them directly. This makes it easy to keep your resources organized in one place. Plus, it integrates with other tools you may already be using, like Google Drive or Dropbox. But what sets Teamwork apart from other project management tools is its level of customization. You can set up your workflow to match how you want to work, whether that's using Kanban boards, Gantt charts, or list views. This flexibility allows you to tailor the platform to your specific needs, which is incredibly important when you're working with freelancers on different types of tasks. Another reason to love Teamwork is the reporting features. You can generate detailed reports on how your projects are performing, track team member productivity, and even see where you might need to allocate more resources. This gives you complete visibility into the performance of your freelancers and helps you make better decisions moving forward. As you can see, teamwork.com is a powerful platform for managing freelancers and ensuring that projects stay organized and on track. It's easy to use, and the features are designed to support collaboration and streamline the work process. Before we finish, don't forget that you can use teamwork.com for completely free from the link below. Plus, we've partnered with Teamwork to offer exclusive bonuses and extended trial periods for those who sign up through our link. So, if you're managing a team of freelancers and need a reliable, user-friendly platform to keep everyone on track, teamwork.com is a great choice. It's one of the best tools out there for managing remote teams effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the exclusive extended trial we have for you, only available through the link below.